The porcelain tile, manufactured by Grespania, offers excellent technical properties, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor installation in both residential and high-traffic areas. It can be installed on any horizontal or vertical substrate in a building, as long as this substrate has the following specifications. Before starting to lay the tile, check that you have all the tools you need for the job. After finishing the check, ensure the substrate meets the following specifications. It is completely free of grease, oil, and dust. It is dry, and it has no traces of loose particles. Make sure that it has the required hardness and mechanical resistance for the intended use. You should also check that the surface is flat, stable, and free from cracks, and observe the recommended setting times. Always make the necessary perimeter joints and expansion joints and respect the structural joints. In general, the use of a flexible, improved cementitious adhesive is recommended for cement-based, stone, or plasterboard substrates commonly employed in construction. Apply the adhesive with a back-buttering technique, leaving no gaps, first on the underside of the tile, using a 3 mm square notched trowel. Then apply adhesive to the substrate using a 6 to 9 mm notched trowel, taking care to cover the corners and edges and ensuring there are no air pockets between the substrate and the tile. The adhesive should be spread in the same direction on the tile and on the substrate, aligning with the direction of the shorter side of the tile. Once the tiles have been placed on the substrate, eliminate the air by tapping the tile with a rubber mallet or using a tile vibration tool. Always check for a perfect bond at corners and edges. Next, insert the clips at the ends of the tiles to create the desired joint. The minimum recommended joint width is 2 mm for indoors and 5 mm for outdoors. Then, manually insert the wedges into the clips to level the tiles before the adhesive sets. Once the recommended setting time is finished, carefully remove the clips one by one using pliers. Do not bang the wedges. Finally, grout the joints. To do this, you can use cementitious or epoxy resin products. Check the manufacturer's instructions and observe the recommended wait times. Apply the grout with a hard-edged rubber grout float. Lastly, clean the joints with a damp sponge before the material sets. It's that easy to install Grespania's porcelain tile. Now you just have to observe the wait times indicated by the adhesive manufacturer and not step on the tiles in the hours immediately after installation. For more detailed information, we recommend you check our installation manual, available on the Grespania website.